about it, Chief. It won't be permanent. Want to see something permanent? Boom, boom, boom. Hey, who? You want to feel something permanent? Just put your hand underneath my cap. Just get a little lump. Knock on Nolan, St. Paddy's Day, Boston.
I got that beat. I got that beat. Some moray eel. Bit right through my wetsuit.
Well, nope, no, listen, I don't know about that, but I entered an arm wrestling contest in an Okie bar in San Francisco. You see this? Now I can't extend that. You know why? Got to the semi-final, celebrating my third wife's demise. Big Chinese fella, he pulled me right off.
Look at that. It's a bull shark. It scraped me when I was taking samples.
I got something for you. That's the thresher. You see that, Chief? Thresher's tail.
Thresher? It's a shark.
You want a drink? Drink to your leg?
I'll drink to your leg.
Okay, so we drink to our legs.
I got the creme de la creme. Right here. Hold on. Hey, see that?
You're wearing a sweater.
Right there. Mary Ellen Moffat. She broke my heart.
What's that one?
What?
That one there, on your arm.
Oh, well, it's a tattoo. I got that removed.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Mother. What is it?
Mr. Hooper, that's the USS Indianapolis.